Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Concept Clear. Today I am going to teach some basics of algebra, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's start with the addition. So there are two terms here, that is x plus x. So if you add this, you will get 2x. Similarly, a plus a. So if you add this, you will get a 2a. These two sums you solve and let me know the answer in comment section. So let's move on to the three terms. So there are three terms here. If you add this, you will get 1, 2, 3. So it is 3x. C plus C plus C is a 3c. These two sums you solve this. Okay. Now let us move on to here. So that is 3x plus 2x. 3 plus 2 is 5 and write only x. Fine. 5 plus 6 is 11 and write y here. Fine. Now next here 3 terms. So 2x plus 3x plus 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So I'll write here 9 and I'll write here only x. Fine. Now you solve these two sums. So let's move on to the subtraction part. So subtracting two terms, that is x minus x, 0. A minus a is 0. These two sums again you solve. Okay. Now if there are three terms, you have to subtract that. What we have to do is, this is plus, this is minus. You are left out with only one term, that is minus x. Fine. This is positive, this is negative. Cancel. So you are left out with only minus a. Fine. Again these two sums you solve. Okay. Now this one, subtracting two terms with the numbers 3x minus 2x is 3 minus 2 is 1 and write x here. Fine. Now here 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So why did I write here minus 1? Because the 6 is a bigger number and it carries minus sign. Fine. For that reason it is minus 1y. Fine. Now let's move on to the three terms. So here this is positive, that is 4x. These two are negative, that is same sign. So first I am going to add these two. That is nothing but 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 minus 5 is again minus 1x. Okay. Now this one, you can do like this also. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 7 will become minus 8y. Fine. So the third one is multiplication. So multiplying two terms. So x into x will become x square. A into a will become a square. Okay, three terms now. X into x into x. So it will become x cube. A into a into a. So it will become a cube. Okay, now multiplying these two. So bases are same. Just add the powers. 2 plus 2 is 4. Again here also it is 4. Now multiply these three terms. So 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Now x. So it is x cube. Because I have multiplied here. Don't get confused with the multiplication and addition. Most of the students, what they think is, since there are 3, so there is a x cube. Similarly, they do the same thing in addition. So don't get confused. That is addition and this is multiplication. Fine. Now in the division, these two get cancelled, the answer is 1. These two get cancelled, the answer is 1. Okay. Now these two get cancelled. 4 1s are 4 5s are. So the final answer is 5. Now 0 and 0 get cancelled. M and M get cancelled. 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. Okay. Now these two get cancelled. So the answer is 1. Now a square b divided by ab square. 1a get cancelled. 1a is still remaining in the numerator part. And here b and 1b get cancelled. 1b is remaining in the denominator part. So it is a by b. In the numerator a is remaining. In the denominator b is remaining. Fine. So which all sums I didn't solve. I want you to solve this and let me know the answer in comment section. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you very much.